Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to Project Porsche. Now today's episode, it's not going to be a long one, but I've got a surprise mod. Now, I was just scrolling on the internet and I ended up coming across a little website from China. I think we all know what it is. And I kind of got sucked into, you know how these websites have like, oh, we've got 5 unclaimed gifts for you. And I went, yeah. But I picked out all my 5 gifts. I got a shower head, I got a spider catcher and all sorts of things, yeah. But imagine this. Before I even got to that point, I had to spend like 30 quid. So I wanted all of these things, so I ended up spending 30 quid. One of the things I got today is a surprise mod, and this will add about 20 brake horsepower to the Porsche. So without further ado, let's get into episode 3, surprise modification. Now, the modification that I'm actually going to be installing for you today, oh, you're going to hate me for this one. A little hoodie. It's a little hoodie for the gear stick. Now, yes, I've got myself a little hoodie for the gear stick, yeah. And yes, it's true what the Chinese website says. This adds 20 brake horsepower to the Porsche. So let's get into putting this on. And I'm telling you, you want to get one. So now, naturally, obviously, all of the married people out there will know that when you have a wife and you get something like this for your Porsche, she's not going to be too happy. That looks absolutely amazing. So now it does come with little pockets in here, so that we shall get into putting this inside there. That is absolutely awesome. Right. And then the next thing we want to do is obviously bring that down a bit. Yo, this guy looks dench. That's insane. So that is insane. I need to tie these up. Now look at that. The brand new mod for the Porsche. That is the most coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. I urge all car people to get something like this. Yeah. Now, I apologize. I really do apologize. I didn't mean to troll you guys. This is actually a mod for the Porsche that I've been looking forward to, and it's here. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed episode 3. Let me know what you think of this. I think it's absolutely awesome. And yeah, it just gives the car a bit of character. I don't think my missus is going to be too happy with this. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you again for watching, and I hope I'll see you for a proper mod on the next video.